Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily retrieve documents. That is how we can query documents, or you can also say how you can fetch the documents and display it from a collection using the find method. So it's very easy. So we have started MongoDB. So we have started a server, we have connected it. Now let's see all the databases using the show DBs command, press enter. So you can see all our databases are visible. Our database is demo. Let's enter it, use the use demo command. Now we are into demo DB. Let's see all the collections we have because we need to display them. Show collections, press enter. So we have three collections: employee, department and client. So guys, let's say you have created a database and added collections, and now you need to fetch the documents. That means you want to retrieve the documents, you want to display the documents. How you can easily do it? How we can fetch DB, write DB dot the collection name. Let's say I'll be adding employee. Now just use the find method and press enter. This will allow you to query the document. Press enter. You can see we added two documents in it. For employee, we added employee name, employee age, zone and department, and the same for the second document. Now let's see for department, db.department, db.department.find. Press enter. You can see we are only having a single document in it. Now let's see for the last one, client. That means client collection dot client dot find brackets and press enter. So it is having multiple records here, hard to read, but this is how you can query it. If you want a formatted version of it, it's possible in MongoDB. Use db.employee.find yes dot pretty. The pretty function is used. Press enter. You can see now you can easily understand what all records you have. We print it for employee. Let's say we want the same for client collection because it is having three documents and hard to read. db.client.find.pretty and press enter. Now we can easily read that the client collection was having four fields and three documents. Fields underscore id got automatically added and rest client name, country and department. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily fetch, how we can easily retrieve documents from a MongoDB database and collection. We can easily fetch documents using the find method. We also saw how we can use the pretty method to format the output. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.